It smells so good. The cake smells so good. Ugh, I just hope it tastes really good as well. I can't wait to try it. Oh my god. It really melts in your mouth. Wow. 10 out of 10. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Delia C. Welcome back to Vlogmas day 6. So in today's video, I will be making an eggnog cake. I don't want peace. I want problems.
Don't want peace. I want problems always.
I'm not gonna be defeated. I found this recipe on Google, so I will leave the link for the recipe in my description. So before I get into this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're already subscribed, welcome back, family. With that being said, let's head on to the kitchen. Alright guys, so now we're gonna start making the cake batter. I am gonna blend the butter and sugar together. My mixer has one leg. Only one of the leg can latch on. If I put two, the other one will fall out. So say hello to Wani. Let's proceed, y'all. Alright guys, so this is the batter. It actually sounds airy, so I guess I'm on the right track. I didn't add salt to the recipe because the butter that I'm using is salted. So I just add like a pinch of salt. I preheated my oven to 315 and now I'm gonna transfer the cake batter into a burnt pan and I'll see you guys in a bit. Guys, I am so scared. I do not want to fill the pan up too much. The mixture that I have here, I think I'm just gonna put it in a small pan. I am scared. I am not gonna risk it. I am not risking it. I'm gonna work with this that I have here and transfer this one in another pan. So I'm gonna be right back. Okay guys, I transfer the remaining of the batter in this small pan here, and this is the other pan. I am now gonna put it in the oven. And I'll see you guys back in an hour. I use a chopstick. Not supposed to use a chopstick. The good thing is that's a burnt pan, so I'm flipping it over so you won't see the holes because it's giving potholes. This is just extra because I didn't want to fill the pan up too much, and thank God I didn't because it was too much, as you can see. So I'm gonna wait till the butter rum sauce soak in, and then after we'll flip it over and I'll come back and show you guys maybe about 9:30 because it's about 8:27 right now. All right guys, so it's 9:19. I'm heading back to the kitchen. The cake should be fine to take it out of the pan, so I am going to do that right now. She never get tired, she never had to go to work. Jesus. You know what? I'll be back. I don't know why the cake be embarrassing me every time on this goddamn internet. Okay, this one came out very moist. Let's try this one. Ooh, wait. There we go, y'all. There we go. This one is really not part of it, so I'll put it on the side. This is the baby right here. Hold on, my hands are greasy. I'll be back. So this is the cake. This is the cake, y'all. Look at it. It looks so pretty. I did good, right? I did good. Look at it. Now I'm gonna sprinkle some icing sugar. Oh, it smells so good. The cake smells so good. Ugh, I just hope it tastes really good as well. I can't wait to try it. This is what the cake is looking like. I did a really good job. So now I'm gonna go cut the cake and give my review on camera. Let you guys know how it tastes. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, I have a slice of cake right here and I'm gonna taste it. Oh my god, it really melts in your mouth. Wow. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I did that. It's really good. It's really good. Alright guys, so we have come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. I am so proud of myself. This eggnog cake didn't defeat me. I did that. The cake is so moist. It's really good. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And click that notification bell so you guys will be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! So soft. So good. I'm gonna go bring some for my neighbor. I'll let you guys know what he said.